Welcome to the remains from the course Material Design for Virtual Environments. I'm Luis Fernando Alvarez, and today I'm going to talk about using this virtual learning environment, which is called edmodo. First, it's a good idea to sign up with keeping in mind your email address. So let's suppose you're going to sign up for this amazing visual learning environment. So all that you got to do is go to edmodo, which is just click on edmodo, and the first pop-up that you're gonna appear is the link that you really need to get access to it. So we have two options. One like seeing it as a teacher, and the other one is as a student. Whether if you are going to sign up as a teacher or as a student, the process is uh, quite the same. The only difference is obviously you in a position as a teacher have even more advantages that being a student, but is undoubtedly qualified. I already have an account as a student, so later I want to show you the one that I have as a teacher. So this is the interface that you're going to see here. For example, I already have some assignment that I was sent by my teacher. In here you can invite parents or other people to join to you. Also, you have here like a code in order to join or invite, for example, parents and other people. And in here, we have the classes that are assigned for the teacher. And when that happens, the teacher sends us like a code, a class code like this one. We just, as a student, insert the code and we are immediately directed to the class. So here, for example, if we want to load some things, we just click on that, and we see here that the teachers have already assigned an activity for us, which is called the ed and ing adjectives. This is what it looks on a student interface. And for example, here there is a student that already took the quiz and got 5 out of 5. And this if we want to check we want to develop activity, just click here and you immediately going to have the activity. Let's see some tools on the top. This is search. We want to look for something for it specifically. This is home, what's due. This is show the deadlines of the task we need to develop. This is the progress of the student. The teacher is in a position to see how well students are doing, as well as ourselves. This backpack is like a drive space where we can sort of information we want to use in here, the messages either we send or we receive from the teachers, and this is the notifications. So also let me show you it already. Yes, in here I'm here into the account of as a teacher. All right, and for example, the names. Here's a teacher. I'm a professor teacher here. Teacher is a name. As for this in here, as you can see here, it looks like a student. So this is quite awesome since we have a lot of tools we can do it right here. We have in a position to come in here. Let's suppose I want to create an activity. Just go here where it says classes, load more, wait until the page is loading, and teacher development class, or click in here. We can also share here, and if we want to create something here, we just go down here, we can create a new group. Although here I have a block here because or we can also activate this, unlock the class. And this is, for example, the code that appears here, and the one I can use to invite people to my class. Let's suppose I want to invite someone, just clicking here, and those people who want to be ready for this class just add this code to the class code and they're ready to be in. It's quite easy and quite useful. So this is the way we can use edmodo in order to create a class. So let me just click in here. If we want to create a task, let's see here, click on task or quiz. As you can see in Spanish, let's say create a task. Click in here, be patient, and here I am in a position to start creating a quiz for my class. This virtual learning environment is quite is straightforward for teachers to use it. So we have for example the option of multiple choice or multiple choice on other categories. Just scroll down here and you have other options. But typically, I do prefer to use multiple choice questions instead of on other categories. So let me see, true, false, short answers, fill in the blanks, etc. I'll keep at multiple choice. First question, and let's see. I don't know. Let's suppose that we're talking about grammar, and let's say, for example, what's a class, for example, as a question, or what, for example, a verb we want to have a quiz about. I'm sorry, here space, and here we're going to click on the answers, okay, and so forth. And we click here. We can also have videos or something. Just clicking here. This is for the link, and this is if we are in a position to copy and paste something from here from the library, which is, like I mentioned before, is like a drive, a folder where you can keep info and documents. And this is where we can add some more information. If we think we're done, just click on ready, and that's it. For example, this is a quiz, quite easy. There are some mistakes. Let me check this out. Okay, I have to, or for example, yes, here is, I don't know, story. Let's write down something correct in here to show you the way you can start having or creating quizzes. Let's put this is okay for me. Wait, this the time is going to be 16 minutes for the student. I can also lower this time, and it appears here that I have already created a class or a quiz. We can also manage classes, create a class, join a class. So let's check this out, how it looks. This is quite simple, but obviously you can also create as many questions you want. You can also copy and paste link for the videos, and then the student is going to respond, and it's quite good. This virtual learning environment is loading here, and let's see where our the quiz I have already created for my students. And this is untitled quiz. I forgot to put the quiz name to here. We also can assign a deadline. Let's see, that is an 11th. This starts on 11. It is at 11:15 p.m. and I'm going to say click on send, and here's the class code for those people I just want to invite to join to my class. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned quite a lot using this amazing virtual learning environment which is called Edmodo. How you like it? And I'm eager to listen to your comments. Bye bye.